Hello friends, welcome to my channel, and in today's video I will give you the review about free of cost Huawei HCIE Routing and Switching course. This course is available free for everyone. You just have to create your free account on iLearning, Huawei iLearning website, okay, and it is free of cost, and all the videos are available. I will share this link on Huawei certification Facebook page. It is already mentioned that this is the link of the registration page. You just have to register on this page, okay, and create your free account. I will share this link in the description of the video. Just create your free account and just enroll for this course. I have already created my account and I am already enrolled for this course. So once you click on the link which I have already mentioned in the description of the video, just registration page, you have to register. After the registration, it will automatically give you the option to enroll in the course. Once you enroll and your registration is successful, click on view course, and this is the course information. This is the author, the course team, and once you register on this website, this course is available for next 2 years, okay, because it has started in 2018 and the end time is 2020, so you have enough time. Anytime, anywhere, just log in the website and you can just start learning and start watching the videos. Okay, once you registered on this website and you already enrolled, just click on view course. So these are the topics, friends. These are the content of the HCI, and all the videos are available for every topic which is. So I click on the rip and this video will automatically start it.
Good morning everyone, welcome to my video. In this video I'm going to talk about RIP. My name is Yap Chi Yuan. I'm the instructor for InfoSight. So let's start the lesson. So what exactly is RIP? RIP in short stands for Routing Information Protocol. RIP is an IGP, which means that it's an interior gateway protocol that running on distant vector algorithm. We have another algorithm which is the link state algorithm. Alright, so RIP is a distant vectors algorithm. RIP is mainly used in a small scale.
So once you registered on this website, all the topics you can just view the video. RIP, ISIS, OSPF, BGP, BGP Advanced, Routing Information, VLAN, Layer 2 technologies, WAN, STP, Multicast, IPv6, MPLS VPN, and other technologies. So friends, this is the free of cost Huawei giving you an opportunity to just learning free of cost the video lectures available on Huawei website. You just have to click on the registration page. Okay, I have already shared the registration link. This link I have already shared in the description of the video. Just click on the video, just click on the link, okay, and just register yourself on this website and start learning. And please share this video with your friends, and just share with your friends if you are looking for some career in networking or data communication. So just start learning the Huawei certifications, okay, and I will share this link in the video, and these all videos are free available for you. Okay guys, thank you very much. Subscribe my channel, share with your friends. Thank you very much.